Union City, California. On October 24, 2025, police received a report of several armed suspects spotted outside a residence. At first, the incident was believed to be a kidnapping, but it was later determined to be an attempted home invasion. Just one day later, on October 25th, police in Modesto responded to another armed home invasion on Park Faith Lane. 4 masked suspects held a family at gunpoint before fleeing the scene. Police immediately mobilized units to pursue and surround the suspects, and what happened next, you're about to see.
Possible matching Dallas and Whitmore, 4 Taurus.
33, give us some 33.
I know channel 33 for Mary, 33.
Alright, we're westbound Glen Arbor, coming to Dallas. Be pursued. All matching description. Rolling the stop. Northbound Dallas. Passenger in the back looks like he's getting ready to Lakeville.
I copy westbound Glen Arbor.
YA33, all take over comms. Alright, pit is mobilized and successful.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move! Put your hands on top of your head now! Get your hands up! Get your hands up! You don't move! Put your hands on top of your head now!
In just 2 days, a group of young suspects carried out a string of armed home invasions across 2 cities, a chilling reminder of how quickly crime can spread when unchecked. Thanks to the officers' swift response and precise pursuit tactics, the suspects were stopped before anyone else got hurt. This case reminds us that every second counts, and that courage, discipline, and teamwork can make the difference between chaos and safety.